Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my video resume. Myself, Mohammad Marjanur Rahman. Now I am currently studying Dappudil International University, 5th semester in Electrical and Electronic Engineering. I have completed my ECC and ACSC from Bogora Cantonment Public School and College. Both results are GPA 5. Now I tell about myself. I am the elder son of my family and I have little brother and eldest sister. My apartment address is Ashulia Shabar, Dhaka. My hometown Shiazganj in district Rajshahi. I love play cricket and my hobby is gardening and I love also good video game. I am an undergraduate student in electrical and electronic engineering. Currently I am working circuit design, microcontroller programming and power system analysis. I actively participate in hands-on projects like innovation and sustainable technology. On my GitHub profile, I have uploaded several projects involving microcontroller-based system, sensor integration, and power analysis tools. I continuously learn new technologies and translate them into Bangla, make technical education more accessible for my community. My goal is to contribute to sustainable development in Bangladesh power and technology sectors after completing my university education. I aspire to make technology understandable in simple language and help world future leaders through education and mentorship.